Hi there. So today we are very close to the airport of Alghero, and this property is next to the famous Samandra Agriturismo. Many people come here in this location to enjoy the countryside around Alghero and of course all the seaside interesting points we have all around here. The house is located next to a B&B, and this could be also a parking space for the B&B. We are already inside the property. That's the outside garden. So in total the land is around 5,000 square meters, and well, at the moment the owner is not cleaning the property. You may see here there's the gas tank that provides energy for the heating system that needs to be replaced. And well, from here we cannot go further. We'll show you through maybe Google Maps how big it is, but it's 5,000 square meters. And we all around the house, which is in not great shape, and it's a bit of love to get back to this original state. Inside it looks better than it does outside. As we enter, there is this veranda that, as you can see, needs to be fixed up or, well, put down and rebuilt, maybe in wood, so you have more light and direct access to the garden outside. At the moment, it feels more like a room and it's not the best solution, in my opinion. That's the living room here, which is connected to the corridor that leads to a room here where they have the fridge and a bedroom. From the corridor, we just go to the main bathroom, double windowed shower, and at the end of the corridor, we have 3 bedrooms and another bathroom. A bedroom with a traditional Sardinian freezer. We freeze the pork, and we need a lot of space to do that. And here the master bedroom, quite spacious, and another bedroom with 2 beds and view on the garden. Well, of course, the garden now is a bit cluttered with too many trees, but once you clean it up, there's a lot of space in front of us. There's too many plants at the moment. And that's the small bathroom with the washing machine. It's more like a service bathroom, and there's a small bathtub where we can, take a shower and wash quickly after enjoying the day at the seaside. And that is the kitchen with the fireplace that works, so you can actually cook in there or roast, depends on the recipe. And the kitchen is quite big. There is a lot of room here with the fires just in front of the window, so you can just open the window and let the humidity go out.